entered the physical classroom with real-time interactions, questions and discussions. In our live class, the faculty member will explain each concept using interactive animations and graphics, which will not only keep your interest alive but will also make it easier for you to understand the complex concepts. Students, as the live classes are interactive, if you want to interact with the teacher, you can use hand raise or chat option to do the same. And vice versa, if the teacher want to communicate something to you, they can call you or unmute you to hold a discussion. At the end of the live class, if you want to leave the session, you can do that by clicking on leave icon and you will be redirected to the home page. After every live class, you can continue your learning through the library section. You can access recordings, class notes and practice quizzes for your review and reinforce what you have learned. Students, in the library section, all the study also bookmark your revision cards, and these bookmark cards will be accessed through book to solve and reattempt your mistakes by clicking on reattempt icon. As you attempt the questions, you will be able to see your progress and solutions to those questions. Lastly, you will be able to see your progress through the improvement progress card. Studying is crucial, but taking break is equally important, as when we feel good and fresh, we are able to concentrate better on our studies and get good results. On the app, we have break icon at the bottom of the homepage screen, which will help you to take break from your everyday life and focus on your overall well-being. As sometimes we get so absorbed in our studies that we forget the world around us. In that case, listening to music or reading books will help you broaden your perspective. In break icon, you are able to connect with your teachers and mentors who will provide you with the academic guidance, motivate you when you feel low, or address any queries whatever you are facing. And also you can find many tools like guided mentorship sessions, success stories and brain exercises which will help you increase your productivity. Through all our efforts, we strive to provide you with the right care and support to ensure your smooth journey with Allen. As we conclude our walkthrough, remember that this journey is yours to shape. So utilize these tools, embrace the challenges and transform your learning experience. Now it's time to fulfill your career dreams with Allen. You can also find the recorded video in your calendar icon against the orientation date and refer it for the future reference. All the best!